this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bar chart and a double bar chart for categorical data on the TI Nspire CAS CX calculator. The first thing we're going to do is add a list and spreadsheet page. You get to this list by pushing Control Doc. If this list isn't already up, I'm going to go List and Spreadsheet. In the Nspire calculator, you have to name your list before you can use it. I'm going to name this medals because we're going to talk about silver, gold, and bronze medals won by 2 different countries in the 2012 Summer Olympics. So first I'm going to type in gold for gold medals, bronze, and, or sorry, silver should be next. Silver and bronze. Now you can get type these in using the letters at the bottom of your keyboard. Now I'm going to type in frequency. F-R-E-Q, just a short for frequency. Frequency just means how frequently do they occur. And in the USA, we had 46 gold, 29 silver, and 29 bronze. Now to make a bar chart of this, I have to open a new page. I go to Control Doc and choose Data and Statistics. And if you go to the bottom of your screen with your cursor, a box will pop up and it will say click to add variable. So if I click my click pad or push enter, I can choose which variable I want, and I want medals because that's my categorical variable. Now right now it's not showing how many of each we have because we entered it as a frequency table where instead of typing in gold 46 times, bronze 29 times, and silver 29 times, if I had done that I would have gotten different stacks of these dots according to how many times I typed in the variables. But since I typed it in as a frequency table, I have to add something to get it to show how tall the bars are. So this is where you go to the left hand side and you'll see another one of these boxes pop up. Don't click on it yet. Instead, just hover your cursor over it and then go to Control Menu. Because I don't want to just add a variable, I want to add a Y summary list, and this is a little different. So I'm going to choose Add Y Summary List, and my Y Summary List is frequency. So push enter for that. Now you see that the bar tells us how many in each category there are, and it also tells the percentage, which is a really nice feature of the Nspire. Now I want to go back and add another country to my data. So I can navigate back by pushing this little arrow up here to the left and go back to page 1.1. And I'm going to add gold, silver, and bronze again for China. Now, one thing I want to show you that you can do is you can go up to this variable, and just like on a computer, you can do a Control-C to copy and go down to the next empty cell, and then do a Control-V to paste. And I can do that. A Control-C and a Control-V for I think I didn't do it well. Control-C, Control-V. Something's not working right here. Let me try this again. Control-C, Control-V. There we go. For some reason it wasn't working. I could have typed it in faster than that. Control-C, Control-V, and I've got my gold, silver, and bronze. Now I'm going to put in the values for China. China had 38 gold, 27 silver, and 23 bronze. Now, because I have 2 different countries here now, I have to have a third variable, and I'm going to call this variable country. And I'm going to type in USA for the first 3 values, and I can type that in, or I can do a control copy. The way I'm doing it is faster for me to type it. You could do a control copy if you want to. And China, China, China. Now, how do I make a double bar graph? Go back to your graphs page, and you're going to go down to your bottom level here. And I'm going to push menu actually now, I think is what I need to do. Menu, go to Plot Properties, and go to, I hit the wrong button. Let me Control Escape to undo what I just did. go to Menu, go to Plot Properties, and go to Split Categories by Variable. Because what it just did was it added together all the golds and silvers from both categories. So split categories by variable, and my variable I'm going to split categories by is country, and now look what it did. Isn't this cool? Double bar graphs color-coded with a legend even. And I can move this legend over. By the way, to do that, you hover over an item till you see the hand appear. Then you hold down your click pad. It's a little different on my calculator, so hold down your click pad until the hand shuts. Then use your scroll bar to just sort of scoot it over where you want it and kind of get it out of the way. So there we have a really nice looking bar graph. And we have metals by country. And so when you hover over it, it tells you all kinds of information. 38 out of 84 gold medals are from China, or 45.2% of the gold medals are from China, and 54.8% of the gold medals are to the USA, and so forth. So this is a really useful feature. You can copy and paste this into a document. And I did this on my software, my computer software, to illustrate this for you. So in addition to doing this on your handheld, you can load your computer software and do this on your software, which is actually a lot easier because you can type in things with your keyboard on your computer, and you can make some really nice graphics for documents with your Nspire. So hopefully this was helpful and you benefited from this little lesson. Thank you.